Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to print a PDF file as image or picture format. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and this top left side corner, here you will find this printer option. Click here or select this file option and this print. Click here. This printer dialog box now open. Now select your printer here and select all pages, or you can select specific pages and select here print handling scale, fit to the margin, and here you will find this print as image option. Check here. Now finally select OK and save as. And see this, all of the pages are printed as image format. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.